Top 7 vitamins to strengthen your legs. Picture starting each day with legs that feel powerful, steady, and full of vitality. No more weakness in the muscles, no more painful spasms, and no more fear of losing balance or falling. If your goal is to remain active, self-sufficient, and secure, the answer lies in proper nutrition. Today we'll uncover the 7 most effective vitamins and minerals that will help keep your legs strong and resilient. From enhancing muscle performance to preserving bone density and boosting circulation, these crucial nutrients can greatly improve the way you move and feel daily. Whether you enjoy walking in the park, dancing, or simply maintaining independence, this video is for you. Before diving in, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Leave a comment and feel free to ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the best health advice from our channel. Together, let's build a healthier, stronger tomorrow. 1. Vitamin D. As we grow older, the body naturally changes. Muscle mass declines, bone density decreases, and movements that were once effortless can feel more demanding. One of the most neglected reasons for this decline is a shortage of vitamin D. It's not only about fragile bones. This nutrient plays a key role in keeping legs stable, coordinated, and functional. Let's explore why vitamin D is essential for leg strength in older adults and how maintaining proper levels can transform mobility and well-being. With age, the skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. To make matters worse, many seniors spend less time outside due to limited mobility, lifestyle adjustments, or fear of skin damage. The result is a common deficiency that slowly undermines muscle strength, leaving legs unstable and frail. Research has repeatedly shown that low vitamin D levels are strongly associated with weakness and higher risk of falls among older people. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that seniors with adequate vitamin D had stronger muscle fibers, better coordination, and improved balance, reducing injuries and fractures. On the other hand, those deficient experienced rapid muscle decline, making everyday tasks like climbing stairs or rising from a chair far harder. Vitamin D goes beyond calcium absorption and bone health. This nutrient directly supports muscle function by improving protein synthesis and enhancing communication between nerves and muscles. Think of it as fuel for your leg muscles. Without it, they cannot function at their best. Studies confirm that vitamin D helps preserve fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are vital for balance and quick reactions. These fibers help prevent falls by allowing the legs to react instantly when stability is lost. Without sufficient vitamin D, these fibers deteriorate, leading to slower responses, weaker strength, and greater risk of accidents. Vitamin D also decreases inflammation in muscle tissues, easing chronic pain that many seniors feel. Frequent cramps, stiffness, or unexplained leg discomfort often improve significantly once vitamin D levels are corrected. Neglecting this vitamin doesn't only weaken legs, it also raises the risk of serious conditions, especially osteoporosis and fractures. Without vitamin D, calcium absorption fails, leaving bones brittle and prone to breaks. A small fall could cause a severe fracture, drastically limiting mobility and independence. Beyond the bones and muscles, deficiency has been linked to cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, and reduced immunity. The solution? The good news is restoring vitamin D is simple and highly effective. Here are proven ways. Sunlight, 15 to 30 minutes outdoors, ideally mornings or late afternoons, gives a natural boost. Exposing arms and legs increases absorption, though sunscreen can block production. Food, while diet alone may not meet needs, adding salmon, mackerel, sardines, fortified dairy, egg yolks, and mushrooms can help. Supplements. For many older adults who spend little time outside, vitamin D supplements are essential. Most experts recommend 800–1,000 IU daily, with higher amounts under medical supervision if deficiency is severe. If unsure, a simple blood test provides clarity. Many doctors now test vitamin D routinely, acknowledging its role in preventing falls and fractures. 2. Calcium. Unlike younger people whose bones are still remodeling, seniors experience gradual bone loss, making fractures more likely. This is especially dangerous for the legs. Hip breaks, femur fractures, and stress injuries are among the most serious outcomes. A fall that might have been harmless in youth can lead to months of recovery or even permanent loss of mobility when calcium reserves are lacking. But calcium isn't only for bone density, it is essential for muscle contraction. Every step, every movement requires calcium ions to interact with muscle fibers, allowing smooth and controlled motion. Without adequate calcium, muscles cramp, feel weak, or fail to generate enough strength to keep stability. Many people with low calcium suffer from frequent cramps, sluggish movements, and poor endurance. To get enough calcium, dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources. But they're not the only ones. Leafy greens such as kale and bok choy, almonds, tofu, sardines, and fortified plant milks also provide rich amounts. Variety is key, as combining different foods ensures steady absorption and stronger bones. Still, food intake alone may not always be sufficient, especially with dietary restrictions or absorption issues. Supplements can fill the gap, especially when paired with vitamin D, which boosts calcium absorption. However, excess intake can be harmful. Too much calcium from supplements may lead to kidney stones, artery calcification, or digestive issues. For older adults, the ideal daily intake is 1,000–200 mg, preferably from both diet and supplements if required. Another factor, movement. Weight-bearing exercises such as walking, light jogging, or resistance training stimulate bone remodeling, directing calcium into bones and muscles. Without physical activity, even proper calcium intake cannot fully strengthen the skeleton. Ignoring calcium needs doesn't just weaken bones, it takes away freedom of movement, joy of activities, and independence. Mobility, stability, and confidence all depend on strong bones and muscles, powered by calcium. 3. Vitamin B12. Much of the focus on leg health centers on calcium and protein, but vitamin B12 is equally crucial. It keeps nerves healthy, ensuring electrical signals from the spinal cord reach the legs efficiently. Without it, muscles don't receive proper messages, leading to weakness, instability, and gradual loss of control. A common symptom of B12 deficiency is heavy, tired legs, often with numbness or tingling. Unfortunately, B12 deficiency is widespread in older adults. Unlike many nutrients stored in fat or absorbed easily, B12 depends on good digestive health. The body requires stomach acid, an intrinsic factor, to absorb it. With age, stomach acid decreases, and conditions such as gastritis or long-term use of antacids worsen the problem. Combined with low intake of B12-rich foods, this results in gradual depletion. Left untreated, B12 deficiency can cause permanent nerve damage, impairing balance, coordination, and reflexes. Many seniors who fall often, struggle to walk, or feel their legs don't respond may actually have a B12 shortage. The decline is slow, often mistaken as normal aging, but it is preventable. Correcting B12 levels can dramatically improve strength, energy, and leg performance. The best food sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and shellfish, especially clams and liver. For those following plant-based diets or with absorption problems, fortified foods and supplements are essential. The good news: B12 is safe to supplement, as excess leaves the body through urine. Many older adults benefit from high-dose supplements or periodic injections if absorption is poor. Regular blood tests ensure proper levels and prevent decline in leg function. Strong legs depend not only on muscle power, but also on nerve efficiency and coordination, and B12 is the hidden key. 4. Magnesium. Every time you walk, magnesium plays a vital but hidden role, ensuring muscles contract and relax smoothly. It regulates signals between nerves and muscles, prevents spasms, reduces fatigue, and supports endurance. One of the most overlooked signs of magnesium deficiency is restless legs or nighttime cramps. Many seniors experience painful contractions during sleep, disturbing rest and slowing recovery. Magnesium calms overactive nerves, preventing sudden spasms, and is also critical for bones and joints. While calcium often takes the spotlight, it relies on magnesium to function properly. This mineral directs calcium into bones and prevents harmful deposits in soft tissues. Studies show higher magnesium intake improves bone density and lowers fracture risk in older adults. Deficiency is common because stress, medications, and poor diets deplete magnesium. Many seniors take drugs like diuretics or acid blockers that lower levels. Combined with low intake of magnesium-rich foods, this leads to fatigue, poor endurance, and reduced mobility. Seniors may notice shorter walking distances, slower stair climbing, and fatigue after simple tasks, not just aging, but lack of nutrients. Restoring magnesium brings quick benefits, reducing cramps, boosting energy, and improving balance. The best food sources include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, black beans, and avocados. Supplements like magnesium citrate or glycinate are better absorbed if diet is insufficient. When magnesium is replenished, seniors often feel lighter, more energetic, and free of cramps. Balance and coordination improve as nerve-muscle communication stabilizes, restoring confidence in movement. 5. Potassium. If you've ever woken up with a sudden calf cramp, low potassium may be the cause. This mineral regulates fluid balance in and around muscle cells. Without it, muscles contract involuntarily, leading to painful spasms, especially in the legs. For older adults with circulation issues, these cramps can be disabling, but potassium deficiency causes more than cramps. Trembling legs after standing or stiffness during walking are signs that nerve signals aren't reaching muscles efficiently. Low potassium slows this communication, causing weakness, instability, or trouble lifting the feet, raising fall risk. Potassium also protects bones by neutralizing acids that weaken bone density. Research shows diets rich in potassium slow bone loss and reduce osteoporosis risk. Thus, potassium ensures bones and muscles work in harmony. Fortunately, it's easy to get enough potassium from food. Bananas are well known, but sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, beans, oranges, and baked potatoes with skin are even richer. A varied diet ensures steady intake. Adults need about 2,600 milliliters daily for women and 3,400 milliliters for men. Most people can reach this through diet, but those with kidney or blood pressure problems should consult a doctor. 6. Vitamin K, calcium, and vitamin D get most of the attention, but vitamin K is the missing link that directs calcium into bones instead of arteries. Without it, calcium builds up in vessels, causing stiffness and circulation problems. Vitamin K ensures bones remain dense and mobile, protecting against fractures. Studies show people with higher vitamin K intake have stronger bones and fewer fractures. It activates osteocalcin, a protein that binds calcium to bone, making it more resilient. But its role extends beyond bones. It reduces joint inflammation, slowing arthritis, and easing stiffness, especially in knees. It also improves muscle coordination by regulating calcium inside muscle cells, reducing instability and falls. Good sources include spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, and Brussels sprouts, vitamin K1. Fermented foods like natto, aged cheese, egg yolks, and liver provide vitamin K2, which is especially effective in directing calcium to bones. If food isn't enough, supplements may help, but people on blood thinners must consult a doctor first, as vitamin K affects clotting. 7. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, plays a bigger role in leg health than most realize. It supports nerve function, muscle repair, and protein metabolism needed for muscle growth. Without it, even strong muscles weaken, and simple movements like standing or climbing stairs become tiring. Low B6 slows nerve signals, causing numbness, tingling, and unsteady steps. Many mistake this for normal aging, but it's often nutritional deficiency. B6 also reduces inflammation, helping muscles recover faster and remain flexible. Additionally, B6 is vital for red blood cell production, which delivers oxygen to muscles. Low levels reduce stamina, cause fatigue, and make legs feel heavy. Good sources include poultry, salmon, tuna, bananas, potatoes, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. For those with digestive issues or limited diets, supplements may be necessary. Adults usually need 1.5 milligrams daily for women and 1.7 milligrams for men. Excess should be avoided, as too much can harm nerves. A balanced diet rich in B6 foods supports nerve signals, energy, and muscle health, keeping legs strong and steady. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. It truly supports us in creating more useful content. Leave a comment below and share your opinions, doubts, or what subject you'd like us to explain next. We enjoy hearing from you. Also, click the subscribe button and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our newest health advice and knowledge. Stay updated, stay well, and we'll meet you in the following video.